Okay, first of all, good morning to all of you. By the grace of great Vaheguru, we will start our today's session. And our today's session is divergence of a vector field. Divergence of a vector field. What is the physical meaning of divergence? What is the physical meaning of divergence? Diverge means फैलना. Divergence means फैलना. Okay, divergence means फैलना. On the same basis, okay. Now I will start from the vectors. I will start from the vectors from the 10 plus 1. From the 10 plus 1. Let us say I have a vector. Let us say, if I write in a note, let us say I have a vector A vector. And let us say that is 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap. Okay, for the sake of simplicity, I have taken any arbitrary vector. And let us say I have another vector B vector, which is let us say minus I cap plus 2j cap minus 3k cap. So can you find out the dot product of two vectors? What is A dot B? This is not a simple product. This is not a simple product. This is not a scalar product. This is called a dot product of two vectors. Dot product of two vectors. How would you find out the dot product of two vectors? आप कैसे निकाल सकते हैं? हिंदी वाला समझ आ रहा कि नहीं आ रहा? मैंने दो वेक्टर्स दिए हैं और मैं उन दो वेक्टर्स की क्या निकालना चाहता हूँ? डॉट प्रोडक्ट निकालना चाहता हूँ. This is called a dot A dot B. This is not a AB. Now say this is vector, this is vector. Okay. So can you find out dot product? So I will write A dot B is equal to 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap dot minus I cap plus 2j cap minus 3k cap. Now what's the rule? First of all, I will take 2i cap and I will multiply with all the component of this vector. Okay. Now this is a general rule. I dot I 1, j dot j 1, k dot k 1, I dot I 1, j dot j 1, k dot k 1, I dot j 0, j dot k 0, k dot I 0. So similarly, when I multiply 2i cap into minus I cap, so I dot I 1, so I am getting 2 into minus 1, 2 into minus 1. I dot j 0, I dot k 0. शांत क्यों कर सकते हैं? सारे बोलो भाई. I dot I 1, last Melissa. I dot I 1, I dot j 0. You are not getting the point. Please speak. Why the energy level is so much low? It's a morning time. I dot I 1, I dot j 0, I dot k 0. Again plus 3 into j into I 0. So similar. Next 3 into 2 6 and j into j 1. So I'll write here 2 into minus 1 plus 3 into 2 plus 4 into minus 3. Okay. 3 I j to I 0, j dot j 1, j dot k 0. So similarly k dot I 0, k dot j 0, k dot k 1. It means the rest of the combination will give to a 0. Only I dot I, j dot j and k dot k will survive. Other will give to a 0 quantity. So what's the answer? My answer is minus 2 plus 6 minus 12 minus 14 plus 6 minus 8. So it means dot product of two vectors. Dot product of two vectors gives me a scalar quantity. Dot product of two vectors gives us a scalar quantity. Okay. And if A dot B comes out to be 0, if A dot comes out to be 0, what's the meaning of this? इसका क्या मतलब होता है? अगर a डॉट b 0 आ जाए, now see in the calculus 1 we have seen that a dot b is equal to ab cos theta, ab cos theta. When this right hand side would be a 0, ये right hand side कब 0 होगा? a तो 0 हो नहीं सकता, b भी 0 नहीं हो सकता, तो cos theta 0 होगा. When the cos theta will be 0, and the cos theta will be 0 only when angle is theta is 90. Theta is 90 because cos 90 gives me a 0. Okay, so a dot b 0 means theta is 90. Theta is 90. ठीक है? It means vector a vector and b vector are perpendicular to each other. They are perpendicular. They are perpendicular like this. This is a vector. This is a b vector. So this angle is 90. This angle is 90 degree. I'll give you the example. Let us say I have another vector. Let us say I have another vector. A vector is equal to I cap plus 2j cap plus k cap. Okay. And I have another vector 2i cap minus j cap. Okay, now calculate a dot b. What is a dot b? Again 1 into 2 plus 2 into minus 1 plus 1 into here 0 k cap plus 0 k cap. So 1 into 0. So my answer is 2 minus 2 plus 0. So 0 plus 0, 0. It means these two vectors are perpendicular to each other. These two vectors are perpendicular to each other. Okay. Now we will apply the same concept. Now we will apply the same concept in our concept. In our concept of divergence. In our concept of divergence. Okay. So divergence is also a dot product. So divergence is, let us say I have another vector field that is f vector. Let us say I have another vector field. I have a f vector which is a vector field. Now I want to calculate the divergence. So the divergence of f can be written as del dot f. Del dot f. Divergence of f can be written as del dot f. Now compare this del dot f with a dot b. We can compare. So it is also a dot product of del operator and a vector field f vector. You can take any vector field. So I have taken f vector. You can take a vector. You can take b vector. You can take e vector. ओके, हिंदी वालों के लिए आप कोई भी वेक्टर फील्ड ले सकते हो. वो ई वेक्टर भी हो सकता है, ए वेक्टर भी हो सकता है, बी वेक्टर भी हो सकता है. सो इन आवर केस आई हैव टेकन एफ लेटर, सो आई विल राइट लेट एफ वेक्टर. ओके, तो मैंने इसको अज्यूम किया डाइवर्जेंस ऑफ एफ वेक्टर इज इक्वल टू डेल डॉट एफ. सो in our case divergence is nothing but it is a amount of flux diverging through a surface. That is called a divergence. जब आप रोड पे चलते हो, कंस्ट्रक्शन चलता है तो लिखा होता है डाइवर्ज कीजिए, डाइवर्जेंस लिखा होता है ना कि डाइवर्ज कीजिए, मुड़िए. ठीक है. You can write in terms of, let us say this is an example of the source of laser. Okay, as a laser light travels with respect to distance, we can see this circle, this spot size increases. What's the meaning of this? It means it shows some sort of divergence. Okay, तो देखिए यहाँ पे जो spot size है, here the spot size is less, but here the spot size is more as compared to this case. So it means light is getting diverged. Okay, divergence of light takes place. but it is very less as compared to the ordinary source of light. It is very less as compared to the ordinary source of light. Okay. So now let us, we will come to this point, divergence F. Okay, divergence F, that is a del dot F. And what is gradient F? What is gradient F? Gradient F means del F. Del F. Del F. Okay, that is del F. Okay. Here F is a scalar. Here F is a, this F is a, this F is a scalar. But here F is a vector. Because gradient, this is called a gradient of a scalar quantity. This is called a divergence of a vector quantity. And gradient of a scalar quantity always gives me a vector, not scalar, vector. This gives me a vector quantity. Okay. Gradient always gives me a vector quantity because it contains I cap, j cap and k cap. Gradient मुझे क्या देती है? Vector quantity देती है. कैसे पता चलता है? क्योंकि gradient of something, gradient of f, gradient of e gives me a I cap, j cap and k cap. But divergence of f always gives me a scalar quantity. Always gives me a scalar quantity. This is the point. That is why I have correlated divergence of f with the dot product of the two vector. इसीलिए मैंने divergence को dot product of two vectors के साथ compare किया. Last international. Second, are you getting this point? Del dot f gives me a scalar number. But here gradient of f will give me a vector quantity. Will give me a vector quantity. Okay. Okay. And if let us say I have another vector field A. A is vector field. And if del dot A comes out to be 0, it means a divergence of vector field. Divergence of a vector field comes out to be 0. This means that this vector field, this A vector, this vector field is a solenoidal vector field. This vector field is a solenoidal vector field. This is a solenoidal vector field. If the divergence comes out to be 0, it means this vector comes out to be a solenoidal vector field. In this case, if divergence of f comes out to be 0, it means f vector is a solenoidal vector field. And out. Last, Melissa. Dennis. उधर से समझ, हिंदी वाला को समझ आया? न्यूमेरिकल करते हैं, न्यूमेरिकल से क्लियर होगा ना? न्यूमेरिकल से करते हैं. अगर मान लीजिए मेरे पास कोई एक वेक्टर फील्ड है, अगर उसकी डाइवर्जेंस 0 आ जाती है, इसका मतलब क्या है? इसका मतलब क्या है कि वो जो वेक्टर फील्ड है वो क्या है? क्या है वो? सोलेनॉइडल है. वो क्या है? सोलेनॉइडल वेक्टर फील्ड है. यस. This is called a solenoidal vector field. This is a name. This is a name. Solenoidal vector field means if the divergence comes out to be 0, it means the flux entering is equal to flux leaving. The number of lines entering is equal to number of lines leaving. Flux entering is solenoidal means flux entering is equal to flux leaving. If the divergence comes out to be 0, it means flux entering is equal to the flux leaving. And what's the meaning of flux? Number of lines per unit area. Number of area crossing per unit area normally. That is called a flux. Okay. Let us do a numerical. Okay. Let us say I have a vector field F vector. Let us say I have a vector field. Let us say I have a vector field A vector. That is, A vector is equal to x plus 3y into I cap. X plus 3y into I cap plus y plus 2z. y plus 2z into j cap, x plus 3y into I cap, y minus 2z, sorry, y minus 2z, y minus 2z into j cap plus x minus 2z into k cap. Prove that question. Prove that a vector is a solenoidal vector field. Solenoidal vector field. In short, we can call it as a SVF. SVF means S stand for solenoidal, V stand for vector, and F stand for field. So we have to prove that this vector field, A vector is a solenoidal vector field. तो कैसे करेंगे? How would we do this? इसको कैसे प्रूव करेंगे? So we have to prove that the divergence of this A vector is to solution. So to prove divergence of A vector or del dot A comes out to be a 0. Del dot A comes out to be a 0. So let us solve the left hand side part. The answer comes out to be a 0. ठीक है, हम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पार्ट को सॉल्व करते हैं, हमारा आंसर 0 होना चाहिए. तो करते हैं लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड क्या मेरा? del dot A. This is called my LHS. Okay, what is the meaning of del? Del means I cap curly y curly x plus j cap curly y plus k cap curly y curly z. Dot x plus 3y into I cap plus y minus 2z into j cap plus x minus 2z into k cap. So this is my A vector. Okay. Now how do we solve this? I dot I 1, j dot j 1, k dot k 1. The rest of the combination will give me a 0. I dot j 0, I dot k 0, j dot I 0, j dot k 0. Okay. Now see, I dot I 1, so I am getting curly x of x plus 3y plus curly y of y minus 2z plus curly z of x minus 2z. Okay. Now what is the derivative of x with respect to x? 1. And what is the derivative of curly y by curly x? 0. Derivative of y with respect to x is 0. So I am getting 1 plus 0 plus curly y by curly y 1 minus 2 is constant, curly z by curly y 0 plus plus derivative of x with respect to z 0 minus 2. The answer is 2. 1 plus 1 2 minus 2 0. The answer is 0. Sacred. Are you getting this, Melissa? Okay. So the del dot A. So the del dot A comes out to be a 0. It means this vector field is a. It means this A vector is a solenoidal vector field. A numerical is definitely asked on this topic in the capacity of 2 marks. Prove that this vector is a solenoidal vector field. इसलिए मैंने आपको पहले 10+1 का कॉन्सेप्ट करवाया, ठीक है, वेक्टर्स का करवाया कि कैसे डॉट प्रोडक्ट लेते हैं. ये भी सेम ही है. We have to take the dot product of two vectors because it is also a vector. It is also a vector. So हमने dot product ली, we have taken a dot product and apply the derivative. Apply the derivative formula and we have answer. Any doubt? Okay. Now the next is. Should we start or not? हो गया सबका? Any doubt? Now in the next numerical, no, you can take the paper. Okay, done. Now the next is we have given the solenoidal vector field. We have given the solenoidal vector field and we have to calculate the constant. We have to calculate the constant. So what we will do if A vector is a solenoidal vector field, so what I will do, A is constant. Now if A vector is a solenoidal vector field, that is given, calculate A, which is a constant. Now what is given? This is given. Del dot A is equal to 0 is given. Calculate it. Hurry up, do first. Okay, now this is given. This is a you calculate 1. Yes, correct. A is 1. A is a 1. Solve कीजिए इसको. तो ये numerical आ सकता है. This is important. Okay, you have to given the vector field is a solenoidal vector field and you have to calculate the constant A. Okay, this constant can be here, this constant can be here, this constant can be anywhere, this constant can be anywhere. So simply you have to find out the constant value and the solenoidal vector field is given. What's the meaning of solenoidal? It means divergence of vector is given. That del dot A is 0 is given. That is a given. Now see what's the answer? Curly by curly x of ax plus 3y plus curly y of y minus 2z plus curly z of x minus 2z is equal to 0. Now this gives me a plus 1 minus 2 is equal to 0, a minus 1 is equal to 0, a is equal to 1. How can you check your answer is correct? How can you verify this? Put the value over here and calculate the divergence. Calculate the divergence and the answer comes out to be a 0. अगर आंसर 0 आता है तो सही है. मान लीजिए यहाँ पे 2 आ गया. मान लीजिए let us suppose that here a is equal to 2. But if I use the value of a is equal to 2, then the divergence will not come out to be a 0. It means our answer is incorrect. Wrong. हिंदी वालों के लिए अगर आपका यहाँ पे आंसर -1 भी आ गया या 2 भी आ गया तो डाइवर्जेंस 0 नहीं आएगी. You can verify in both ways. Okay, so this is an important numerical. तो ये भी 2 मार्क्स पे आता है. The capacity of 2 marks. Okay. अगला कीजिए. Calculate the divergence of a vector field. Calculate the divergence of a vector field F vector, where F vector is equal to x y z into I cap, x y z into I cap plus 3x square y into j cap plus x plus xz square minus y square z into k cap at point 1, 1. Okay. Calculate divergence of vector field. Okay. For this vector, for a vector at point 1, 1, 1. X y z into I cap plus 3x square y into j cap plus xz square minus y square z into k cap at point 1, 1, 1. कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे? Solution. We have to find out the divergence. We have to find out the divergence. So del divergence f vector is equal to del dot f. So I have to calculate this. So I cap curly y curly x plus j cap curly y plus k cap curly y curly z dot. Again you have to write the vector x y z into I cap plus 3x square y into j cap plus xz square minus xz square minus y square z into k cap. Okay, and out. समझ आ रहा है इसका रंजन? There's the getting this. Okay, and out. Simply I dot I 1, j dot j, k dot k. Rest of the combinations 0. So I'm getting curly y curly x of x y z plus curly y of 3x square y plus curly z of xz square minus y square z. Okay, what's the answer? yz is constant taken outside, curly x by curly x 1, and here the answer is 3x square into 1 plus here answer is 2xz minus y square, and out yz plus 3x square plus 2xz minus y square. So this is the divergence f. This is the divergence f. But I have to find out the divergence at this point. So what I will do? I will use, this is the x value, this is y value, this is z value. So divergence of f at point 1, 1 is equal to 1 into 1. I need to say 1, 1 means this value x is equal to 1, this value y is equal to 1, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, z is equal to 1. This value refers to x, this value refers to y, this value refers to z. 1, 1, 1 plus 3 into 1 square plus 2 into 1 minus 1 square. So what's the answer? 1 plus 3 plus 2 minus 1. सही क्या ना बस? Yes. 1 1 cancel. The answer is 5. Divergence of f at point this 1 1 1. The answer is you can write del dot f is 5 at point 1, 1. Okay, and out. Sacred, Melissa, Priyanka, Nancy, Shastri, Vishal Kumar, Dennis, Geeta, and out. Uday जस्ट करो, समझ आया भाई है। सिंपल डेल्टा डॉट करते ही है, कैसे करके मैं वेक्टर्स करवाते ना पहला, दैट इज व्हाई यस सॉरी योर वॉइस इज नॉट ऑडिबल। आंसर इज 5, 3 + 2 5। del dot f is 5 at pointer 1 1 1, at pointer 1 1 1। next is कर लीजिए, समझ आ रहा है, सिंपल है। देन इज गेटिंग दिस, क्या हुआ, the next is calculate del dot r, del dot r, calculate, what's the answer, calculate del dot r, this is numerical, del dot r, what is the answer, hurry up, do fast, बताइए, ऑरली बताइए कितना आंसर आया, नवाज कितना आंसर आया, ऑरली भी आप सॉल्व कर सकते हो, सिंपल है। व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ r, xi कैप, व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ r, xi कैप प्लस yj कैप प्लस zk कैप, द आंसर इज 3, 1 + 1 + 1 3। कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे, del dot r is equal to xi कैप प्लस yj कैप प्लस zk कैप, the answer is so simple, so simple, del dot r is 3, del dot r is 3, so answer is del dot r is equal to 3, del and this you can write your start at this, del dot r is equal to 3, r is the position vector, r is the position vector, this is where r given भी हो सकता है, नहीं भी हो सकता है, r is equal to xi कैप प्लस yj कैप प्लस zk कैप, ओके। Now let us compile two topics, okay। In the first part, we have calculated the gradient. We have calculated the gradient of a scalar field. Gradient of a scalar field. Gradient of a scalar field. Note: gradient of a scalar field. Gradient of scalar field means that is del r, del a or del r or del e or del f, okay, where f or e or r is a scalar quantity, okay, del of r, okay. This is called a gradient of a scalar quantity, and it gives me a gradient of a scalar is equal to a vector quantity, okay। Divergence of a vector, divergence of vector gives me a scalar, gives me a scalar quantity, Now see, if any vector can be expressed by the negative rate of that potential, electric field can be expressed as a negative gradient of a scalar potential, then this electric field is a laminar vector field. Laminar vector field. That is called a LMF. How the numerical will come? Prove that E vector is a laminar vector field. So you have to prove E is equal to minus del V. E is equal to minus del V. That we have already done. Okay. So how the question will come? Prove that E vector electric field is a laminar vector field. Is a laminar vector field. It means we have to prove E is equal to minus del V. E is equal to minus del V. That we have done already in the class by the two ways. Okay. It means if any vector can be expressed as a negative gradient of some scalar function or potential, then that vector field is a laminar vector field. For example, let us say, if I will say A is equal to minus del V, A is equal to minus del V, it means then this A vector is a laminar vector. This A vector is a laminar vector field. अगर A को हम उसकी माइनस ऑफ ग्रेडियंट में लिख सकते हैं, माइनस ऑफ ग्रेडियंट ऑफ B, it means A vector is a laminar vector field. Okay. Second point is, this is the first point. Second point is, this is called a laminar vector field. Laminar vector field. Sorry, LV. This is LVF. Second, if the divergence of any vector field comes out to be 0, if del dot A comes out to be 0, this means this A vector is a solenoidal vector field. This A vector is a solenoidal vector field. That is SVF. Solenoidal vector field. Okay. So the numerical on these two topics is usually asked by the examiner. Prove that this vector field is a laminar vector field, or prove that this vector field is a solenoidal vector field. In Hindi कैसे क्वेश्चन आते हैं, वो कहेगा कि आपको कोई वेक्टर फील्ड दिया होगा, मान लीजिए A दिया है, B दिया है, let us say A is given, तो वो कहेगा कि prove that this A vector is a solenoidal vector field, और कहेगा prove that this E vector electric field vector is a laminar vector field, which means it is nothing but it can be expressed as a negative gradient of some scalar function or potential. Okay, so this E vector is a laminar vector field. So these are the two topics. These are the two topics which are very, very important. Okay, as far as exams are concerned. Okay. So any doubt? Any questions? समझ आया सबको? International, Sacred, Melissa, Dennis, Udesi, Denzel. Thank you so much. Thank you.